It's still a little early, but Matt was right. Those are fireflies. They're not. My camera's not screwing up. It's just I can't, you can't see them that well yet. Those are the fireflies. I found them. I found the fireflies. Or they found me. Nice. I don't know if I should be whispering or not. Did I scare them? Oh, there they go. There's still a few. I don't know if the camera scares them because there's an infrared camera. And when the infrared camera's blinking, I don't know if that does anything to them. They're like, who is this strange firefly? He's not blinking. It's still light out, but I'm in the dark. Oh, there's one. It's actually darker than it looks on camera because the light sensing. There's some. I've seen them. Oh, they're everywhere. This is actually cooler than. It's cooler because it's like they're everywhere. You can't really see them all. There's another. They're all around me. Oh, there's another. I've seen it. Okay, bye. Should I keep going? Like, this is kind of the spot. Guess you have to wait till it. Well, I mean, there's more down this way. It's way darker than it looks on camera. This is like night vision compared to how dark.